Hi everybody, today we'll speak about how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to apps to the app of Facebook. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to your storage. Then you can click clear cache. You will don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds. Then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.